Hi Leos, how are you doing? This is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute in Finite Healing, and we are here to check how is the month of December going to fare for you. So brace yourself. Ding 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 ding. Okay, I am being a little filmy here. I come from theater background, so sometimes I kind of do such things. This time I have decided to remove 7 cards instead of 6 cards. And let me see what the cards tell me. One, two, three. Perfect. Leos, what are you going to do in the month of December? I know it's Christmas. Let's see. All right. So what's happening? See, overall, they're mix kind of card, mix and match kind of cards. You will face a lot of competition. Lot of competition this time. Uh, Everywhere you go you will feel that first of all you're being judged, and again you have to compete with someone and you have to prove things to people, and you might not be with the right people to compete as well. So competition is okay, sometimes it's healthy also, but this time you might find yourself in a little unhealthy competition, and so you might feel a little low and depressed. But just turn around, there are good times coming. The times have fallen, I understand, but turn around, there are good times coming. So I would really like to motivate you with that. Um, I don't know why I'm guided to say this, but you might lose someone. In the sense, um, someone might go away from your life, maybe to a foreign country, but you might have to say bye bye to someone for a long period of time. And that is also why you might feel this, which is okay, which is completely all right. You have to just understand that people come, people go, things come, things go, circumstances come, circumstances go. Nothing is permanent because energy has to flow. Wow, what a ride. All right, so I don't know who wanted to hear that, and I was guided to say this, so I did. So, competition, fine. But what will save you overall is this High Priestess. This is a very powerful card uh, in tarot, because the priestess, high priestess, is in charge of the tarot. So when you get that, it is also said that she oversees your life. So you will be taken care of. Whatever you go through, see, you have to go through whatever you have to go through. That's why you take this life as an experience. But whenever you're going through something or whatever in your life, you will be taken care of. Be rest assured about that. Okay. Um, some aged person might prove issueful for you, some aged person. So now see, when I'm warning you these things, don't perceive me wrong, don't take me wrong, or don't be afraid of what is she saying. Just pick something, and the next line or the next thought should be, what is the solution? This is how I work also. So if aged people are issueful, you could stay away from them. I know every time you have grandmother or grandfather, you can't just stay away. But then mentally stay away just for 1 month. Because whatever reading I'm giving you is just for a month, not for the whole year or not for your whole life. So this month has an energy with you where aged people might be issueful, but then you have to have your priorities. If they need you health wise, be there, but mentally don't get hurt if they say anything. Okay. Again, okay, so you might be in search of certain answers here. Obviously, that you're going through so much of a competition and so much of a whirling going on in your mind. Sometimes you are in competition with yourself. Yesterday I thought this, today why this is happening. So a lot of mind games are being played. So sometimes the competition is not outside, sometimes the competition is just into your head. So you're in search of answers, yes, but in a wrong way. All right, just calm down. Just invoke the high priestess in you. Just put your hand on your heart and just say, I invoke the high priestess in me, and I want the answer for describe the situation. So I want the answer for this situation, and give me the answer in the way I would understand. Now that becomes very important because they have their own ways, and not every time we'll understand their ways. So always pray that give me the answers in the way I understand. So if you understand, then you will get. Okay, that was just a joke. So I hope you understood your reading for the month of December. Overall, see, money wise things are fine, career wise things are fine, just like the competition bit. Actually, relationship wise also things are fine. But just this competition bit and your mental competition, you might overthink and you might just sometimes feel like, why? Patch flowers would really prove good for you all. So this overthinking and this whole concept or this whole thinking of negativity can be really worked with that. Or you could use a smoky quartz. See, this is a smoky quartz that I am wearing. You could use this so that it will ground you and it will not let you get affected by things around. This really helps. See, today only I am wearing this. It's really nice. All right. I hope you got a good insight about the upcoming month. Do comment about my earlier videos or this video, and the upcoming video is for the whole year. So I think we should wait for that video too. God bless you. Take care. See you.